Namaste, welcome everybody to Green Living Path. I'm Al Yogi. Thumbs up, everybody. It's been a wonderful day. Now, how to align yourself so that you manifest your reality, your dream life, and bring it in from their cash, from their energy into your life. There's two methods that most people use, and why one of them doesn't work. Why one backfires and one actually works. The first one is coming from your intention. Your intention has to be pure, guys. So the first one is false intention of I want a lot of money, greed, I want a hot woman, a hot guy, a beautiful looking person, but not. And the second one is I want to help others. I want a spiritual person. I want somebody that is loving and kind. So you can see the diametrically opposed vibrationally. One's wanting a lower vibration, greed, and that a lot of people don't even realize that their intentions like that. They just want a hot person and money, which is a natural thing. But then the other one's coming from a helping people and somebody that's kind and loving. That's a higher vibration. So there's two different intentions here, guys, which is really important, is critical in manifesting. So that's the first point. So your intention has to be pure, because if it isn't, what happens? It's like a boomerang. It comes back, and it may knock you in your head. So it's happened to me. It's happened to me, guys. I'm not perfect. I'm a work in progress. We're all work in progress. We're all working away on ourselves. So that's a good way of looking at yourself, is that you're a work in progress and you're constantly working. I mean, so things drop off you as your intent becomes more pure, as your vibration lifts, and then you align with your dream life. So for example, I don't drink, so my vibration has lifted. It doesn't mean to say that the people that are drinking, their vibration is constantly low. But if they're drinking all the time, yes, it is. But so with your intention, that's the first thing. It has to be pure to manifest. So your alignment is your purity is a pure alignment with your intention, and then you'll get back that dream life, the loving relationship. I mean, for example, there's people that I've come across, a beautiful looking woman. I won't name names, but she was focused 100% on getting a millionaire partner. So she went after that. Everybody, guys, she interviewed, that was the way it appeared, for a date, was, what are you doing? What do you do? How much money do you earn? Blah, 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 blah. So what happens was her intentions in a roundabout way weren't coming from a place of love. Is this person loving, kind? And what happened was she got into a relationship with this person, obviously spent some of his money, and then he all of a sudden turned it all around, and basically it came back on her from he realized what was happening, and she ended up getting it all back, landing on her in a karmatic way. But then there's another person that's coming from love, looking for somebody that's aligned with their values and their morals and kindness, and found that the person resonated with them, and they had a beautiful relationship. So intention purity of intention is number one, guys. And we're all a work in progress. We're all working away at it. And look, and there'll be days where, you fall off and you want to eat a donut. That's fine. Or you want a glass of wine, or you want a beer, or you want to go out. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, as long as you realise that, you do your practice, you do your meditation, you do your exercise, you put out gratitude at least 3 times a day. This is another one of actually helping you align with so you're getting, number one, aligning yourself by doing meditation, by gratitude, by exercise, by eating healthy. And then what you're doing is you're sending out your pure intent. You're out to the Akashic or the quantum field, the space that holds everything together, that holds you together, that gives to you. You basically align with that, and then it manifests as long as you've got pure intent. And that's the key. You've got to eliminate things from your life that are lowering your vibration. It's really interesting. So by things just fall off you as you're making a conscious attempt to grow this work in progress each day and to enjoy life, and then your life starts to bloom and synchronicities start happening. You meet the person that your pure intention you put out there, and they're kind and loving towards you because you got pure intent. You're going to have days where, you're up and down, up in peaks and troughs and stuff like that. But it's the constant looking at yourself as growing each day, guys, which is totally different than a lot of people that live each day. They just want to get through the day. They're almost in this unconscious state, moving through the day and reacting to things on a lower level, and angrily, or getting upset with people, especially when they're driving, or saying unkind words to people, which puts them in this lower vibration, which then the signal gets sent out into the field, and it comes back, and their day starts to go down and down and down and down because of that. Instead of taking the time to realign, breathe. I give gratitude for the day, for my body, my health. I come from pure intention to have a wonderful day, to give, to help others, to serve others, is totally diametrically opposed vibrationally than getting caught up. And it's so easy. Well, I'm not perfect by any means. It's so easy to get caught up in the day-to-day and pulled into the matrix. But when you feel yourself slightly going out of alignment and you're not in pure intent, just take a moment, guys. Straight away, gratitude. Think about how you can say a kind word to yourself, which is number one. Then put a kind word to other people. It's really important. So to manifest your dream life, to recap it all, is first eliminate things that are going to lower your vibration. Secondly, you want to come from pure intent. And then you want to help others and help yourself with kind words. And you want to lower anything that's lowering your vibration. Get it out of your life, okay? So that's really key. So just being mindful that you're coming from that place of love, compassion, and not coming from that place that is greed and ego based. Because if you're sending out that intent to manifest your life, you'll get back that. If you're sending out pure intent, love and compassion, and helping and serving others, And being kind to yourself, guys, that's a big one. Being kind to yourself. There's times when you're not having a great day, or you do this and you do that, and it's not working for you. Just take the time to just take a bit of time for yourself, and just take a time to look up, appreciate something beautiful, focus on something that's beautiful, and then just be kind with yourself. So then your life will transform and bloom if you're coming from pure intent, guys. And also, you think about it as a game of you constantly leveling up. You're getting more and more empowered and vibrating up. Don't see it, take it so seriously, because there's times when you're like, oh man, everything's gone to, to crap. But then you just get back on and you realize that you can transform that by gratitude, taking time, breathing, meditation, and also just sending out that pure intent. So I hope this helped everybody. Boop, subscribe, tab the bell. There's a book I've written, a really beautiful novel called The Tiger Mystic. It's on Amazon, guys. It's over 360 pages or something, and it's about a journey through life, constantly evolving, and it's an interesting book. I've written 5 novels, and I've got 18 books online, and I've ran yoga classes, so I've just tried to help people by giving back and giving back. So have a lovely day, everybody. Namaste.